last meeting I was not around. Anybody knows where I had gone? No, not in Diwali. I had gone to a place in Russell Khanna where they do Vipassana. Anyone out here knows what is Vipassana?
Yes.
So I'll just tell you a few things about Vipassana. It is a 10.5 days course in which for 9.5 days you are not supposed to talk to anybody, not say a single word, not even look at someone. Can you imagine a person like me who's always talking is going to tell you all not to talk. The other thing is that no mobiles, no form of communication with anybody. The third thing very important for a person like me is vegetarian food, all these days, and that to your last meal is around 5:30 in the evening, which is, bhel, the Indian version, that puffed rice. That is what you get at 5:30 and you get up at 3:30 in the morning. I'm a priest, but still they tell you for 10 days, don't follow any religion. After I'm giving you so many details, how many of you are motivated to go there?
No.
And one more thing they told you, you're not supposed to lie. I forgot to tell about that. Okay.
Still my hand is up.
Now the next thing is most of you all must be eager to know who are going to benefit from this. Mostly it is people who take a lot of stress, who are very short-tempered, hot-tempered. They react immediately to something, who have a lot of ego issue, greed, who are always greedy, means nothing is enough for them, or who are always depressed. Whatever happens, they are in depression, or who are addicted to alcohol or smoking or something like that, and you want to get de-addicted. Most of these things I don't have, and all of you all are going to feel that most of you all don't have this. Am I right?
Right.
How many of you all have any one of these qualities also? You are not supposed to lie. So good, at least you are ready to agree, because the most important thing is, I had heard a long time back, a fool who knows he is a fool is a pandit, which means that once you realize that you have these qualities in you, that means you are ready to improve them. Many of the people have such a big ego issue, but they never realize that they have these ego issues. I remember I was talking about this to my friends. I said, many people don't know that they have such problems, and it is only when a friend tells you. So I said, your friend if you have a friend who has these problems, you go and explain to him that because he's close to your boss, you have these problems, you should go. After that, one of my friends came and told me, you know what, after I heard you, I told this other friend of ours that he has these problems and he should go. But actually the person who recommended actually needed it much more than the other person. So then I told him that I'm your very good friend, but I think you need it more than that person. So many of us don't realize you have these mistakes. And once you attend it, there's a talk in the evening which explains one point, and you feel most of them, some way or someone, you have these qualities, I would call them. When I was going out here, anyone I told, my wife first thing, forget you want 10 days holidays, you go into Russell Khanna, enjoy somewhere, this is not a place, you feel that your mental, it will relax, you relax there. Only 3 people told me, yes, you should go for it. Out of which 2 were the people who had attended last time, and 1 was the mother of a boy who had attended it. When I spoke in hospital, everyone started laughing that Kartrak not speaking for 10 days to anybody, Kartrak not using his mobile for more than 10 minutes, it's impossible. But trust me, the simplest thing was not talking, not using mobile. The reason is that nobody around you is talking. There's no talk. The reason why they tell you is that when you're meditating, you feel a few sensations. So in the evening, if you're free, you say, I got these sensations, did you get them? The next day morning, you'll be meditating and why is that person got this sensation I'm not getting? And your mind gets distracted. So they don't want your mind to be completely distracted. It is so simple. The very first day, you're just supposed to do something is, you all should try this out, and then you all will realize how important it is going there. Anytime you're at home sitting silently, just concentrate on your breath, breathing in, breathing out. Within 10 seconds, your mind will get distracted to some other thing. And then you'll say, oh, I have to be back. You'll be back. Another 10 seconds, your mind will be distracted with something else, and after 10 minutes, you'll realize. For 1.5 days, means almost 15 hours of meditation, it takes you to come on track that at least 10-15 minutes, you can think of nothing else but meditation. So that shows that there are so many conflicts of thoughts just rushing in our mind all the time. You just clear those off and you feel so mentally peaceful. Now, every evening there are talks in which there are 1 hour talks by a person called Goenka, who's the one who started this around 45 years ago. Single man got it to India, and from that onwards in Igatpur in India, they've got so many places. It is abroad in Australia, it is in America, everywhere. In America and all, for 6 months you won't get a chance to be there. And the best part is, it is in a resort in Ras Al Khaimah, and you all must be having the next question. How much does it cost? It's totally free. You don't pay a single pie. The only way you give is 2 ways you can help out is, there are helpers out there. You can be the next helper, in which you can help in providing the food and all. Or you can put any donation in the box, how much ever you want. You don't give a donation also, they are not bothered. They just want you to learn how to live a happy life without showing depression. Now the next question is, if they are showing these videos, why go there? Because all these videos are on YouTube. I'll tell you if you want later on. The yellow light is there, I won't discuss too much. But it is just like something like, if you read all the literature on how to swim, if I put you in the water, will you be able to swim? No. Similarly, until you don't go there and experience the meditation, you feel sensations going throughout your body. The thing is, a simple thing, it's not some complex funda which you have to follow. Don't react to anything. With any thought, the first thing we have is we react to something, whether it is with anger, with happiness. The thing is, there should be no reaction, just observe. If something is good, don't fall. If you like something, don't like it so much that the minute it goes away from your life, you get depressed. Because nothing in life is permanent, they say. And the other end is that if something is depressing you, it is going to, you have your mind, you have to think about it, it will go someday. So if you have that thought in mind, then don't get too much depressed for something which you have or something which you don't have. Both of them can cause depression, don't worry. I'll speak more than 7.5 minutes. So both these things can cause reactions. So at the end, if you don't react, that thing, you'll say, okay, with this sugar, if you don't react, you don't show any reaction, over a period of time, your mind will become much more cooler. Next question, how fast are you going to get the results? They say quite well that if you are getting angry 10 times on a particular incident, even the next time you get angry 9 times, don't worry, still you have an improvement of 1 time. Over a period of time, gradually you will find that you are not getting angry in such situations. The other thing is that maybe someone tells you something and you are depressed. Previously your depression may last for 8 to 10 hours. Over a period of time, your depression may last for only 4 hours or 2 hours. So don't expect magic. Don't expect magic. My personal experience. How did I improve? Yes, frankly speaking, many of these things at work you will not find much of a difference. But at home, usually at home you have the liberty of getting depressed. If your wife doesn't listen to you, or you expect something. Many things is that we expect. We always feel, if my wife just improves little, our relationship is good. The husband feels, the wife feels, my husband improves little, the relationship will be good. The mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, all have the same relationship. The minute you feel that it is mind and matter, the mind is the one which you can control, matter is what is around you. You can never have control on that. As long as you have control on your mind and you don't react to what is going around, you are not going to be depressed in life. So that is the main theme. As coming to my case, many of us lose weight and we want people to tell us, I have lost weight, because you may lost 3 kilos, 4 kilos. Something like this. You want someone to tell you, you have changed. My wife told me that way. Actually, my pet name is Marzi, but the minute she says Marazban means something is wrong. She told me, Marazban, you have changed. I said, now what happened? Because usually she'll always say, before marriage you were like this, now you have changed. I said, now what happened? No, after Vipassana you have improved. For some people who know my wife, at least must have had 10 to 15 changes before that she will say the sentence, because the first 5 to 7 changes she'll take the credit to herself only. That he's changed because of what? Because the minute I told her all these things, she told me, why did you go there for 10 days? All this I've told you previously. There was no reason to go. So the first 5-7 changes she must have taken the credit. The next 2-3 changes she must have by mistake he's improved. But I think I must have really improved a lot to show these qualities that something has changed, and she told me I have improved. So I would advise you all that attend. If you want to know more details, you can come to me. For the men, one more feeling which you see is, you can see women sitting out there for 10 hours in a day without speaking.
Wow.
I think that should be enough to inspire you to go there.